Yeah, guys, is it audible to all of you, please? Guys, Guru, Manisha, Sahu, Srikant. Yeah, thank you, thank you. So due to the network issue, it is disconnected. Don't worry. We'll continue, please. Let us start with the session. Thank you for reply. So first of all, very good morning to all of you. Okay. So today our agenda is what is cloud, and are we going to be creating an AWS account, and are we going to be getting into the AWS, and are we going to be creating a AWS servers? That is exactly today we're going to be experience. Okay, fine. First, tell me. Have you remember yesterday what exactly we discussed? Okay. Yeah. I'm going to be asking the same question. What is an application, please? What is an application, please? Can you text me in the chat box? What is an application? Yes, please. What is an application? Anybody help me in the chat box, please? Yes, exactly. Exactly, Manish. Okay, fine. Fine. So what is an application, please? What is an application? A application is a please. The working software, please. A working software. The working software, which is written in any programming language, we call as an application. That application we're going to be deploying on servers. Deploy on, please. Deploy on servers, guys. After deploying on servers, our internet we can able to access as a website. As a website, guys. As a website like a Flipkart, Facebook, Book My Show, IRCTC. These are all things. So I'll repeat, guys, please. What is an application? What is an application? The working software which is written any programming language we call as an application. That application we're going to be deploying onto the server, and after that we can able to access our internet as a website. Is nothing but please. Is nothing but please. Is nothing but please an application. Very good. Very good. For maintaining this application properly, for maintaining this application properly, we required a infrastructure. Infrastructure. So what is the infrastructure required? What infrastructure required to deploy our applications? What infrastructure required to maintain properly our application? The first thing is server zone. The first thing is servers. The second thing is network. Networks. And third thing is database. And fourth thing is storage. Storage. So these major four services, these are all major four services required to maintain properly our application. I'll repeat, what is an application? The working software which is written any programming language we call as an application. To maintain properly, we require infrastructure. That infrastructure, the infrastructure are servers, network, database, and storage. But how many ways to we can able to get this infrastructure? How many ways? How many ways? The first thing is, please, we can able to get this infrastructure as a physically, in a physical form. In a physical form. The infrastructure we can able to get in the virtual form, please. In a virtual form. And finally, we can able to get a cloud also. We can able to get this infrastructure to maintain our application, please. We can able to get this infrastructure to maintain the application, please, by physically or virtually or cloud. That too, please, AWS cloud. That too, please, AWS. So then that right, please let me start with what is AWS. What is cloud, please? What is cloud? Today our agenda is please what is cloud. Today our agenda is what is cloud, guys, please. That is cloud. Yeah. Let us discuss about what is cloud. What is a cloud? What is a cloud? First of all, by the way, so please listen very carefully. So if we can able to access the remote placed resources, if we can able to access the remote placed resources over internet from your laptop is nothing but a cloud. I'll repeat, guys, please listen very carefully. If you can able to access remote placed resources over internet from your laptop is nothing but a cloud. Is nothing but a cloud. What is a cloud, please? The remote placed resources. If you can able to access over internet from your laptop is nothing but a cloud. But cloud gives you only the servers only, but not give computers, not give your desktops. Yes, please. For deploying our application, maintaining our applications. I hope you understood very clearly. Clear? This is exactly cloud. This is exactly cloud. So by seeing this diagram, by seeing this PPT, you can able to understand. Okay. So this data center remoting where exactly maybe near Singapore or Mumbai. But where you sitting in your Hyderabad? Are you going to be controlling these data center resources or internet from a laptop or not? Yes, if it is that, definitely. If it is that, definitely it is a cloud. The RAM, CPU, motherboard, so hardware related things, if you able to control, is nothing but a cloud. I hope you understood very clearly. Okay. Then, so tell which is easy, build and use and select the use. Which is easy for you, please. So construct house, then use. So very difficult. Select one flat and register today. Tomorrow we can able to integrate, which is easy. Or one more I can able to tell you. So buying a car, rental car, which is easy for you, please. So buying a car or rental car. For example, so you want to reach a destination like a railway station, for example. From your place, from your house, you want to reach you want to go for railway station by car. For the purpose, buying a car is best or is rental car is the best? That is my question. Please answer this question. To reach your destination, the destination is railway station from your house. For that, buying a car is best or rental car is best? Can you answer anybody this question, please? Guru, Manisha, Sahu, Sarita, Srikant, please. Quickly, please. Quickly, guys, please. Rental car. Definitely rental car, guys. Definitely rental. Why? Because, for example, if you want to buy a car, what will happen? So you have to spend a different amount, maybe 10 lakh rupees. You require RC. You require a pollution check. You require insurance copy. Finally, you have to, you can able to drive the car. Then only you can able to reach your destination. But rental car is not like that. Rental car is not like that. If you book a Walla cab within 10 minutes, the car is available at your doorstep. So do you require RC? Not required. Driving license? Not required. Insurance copy? Not required. And moreover, you can't able to, you don't need to maintain a rental car. In this example, please replace with your servers for deploying our application, for maintaining our application. We require a servers. The purpose is we should be get a server. But how many? How we going to be getting a server? Either physical server or rental server. Or buying a server or please buying a servers or rental servers. Which is easy for you? Buying a servers or rental servers? Definitely rental servers, guys, please. We're going to be getting a rental servers and we're going to be deploying our application. We can fulfill our purpose. But whereas physical servers, that means buying a servers. For example, if you want to buy a server, so maybe we have to spend upfront amount. Definitely, we have to spend upfront amount. Then after buying a server, where are we going to be keeping HP? We have to keep in a data center. Who will pay the rental? Who will pay the AC bill? Who will pay the vendor bill? Who will pay the employee salaries for every month? Very difficult to maintain your data centers with your own way. The same way, instead of maintaining our own resources or databases or storages or network or servers, instead of maintaining our own way, we're gonna be using a rental services. That's it. That is exactly clear. So that means what I'm trying to tell you, the cloud is a rental service. The cloud is a rental services for maintaining your application, maintaining your application aspects. That too, the cloud providers are Azure, Google, and Amazon Web Services. Right now, we're going to be discussing about Amazon Web Services. So these are the services available in Amazon services. Now, so many services we have, but in this screen, so these services only exist, but so many services we'll discuss in the classes, not these only, and so many services we'll discuss in AWS. Okay, let us understand AWS and top view. Please wait. Please let us discuss. Yeah, it is a top view of AWS. It is a top view of AWS. Yes. AWS in a cloud, we can able to create a network is nothing but a VPC. By helping a VPC, we can able to create a network. After creating this network, inside this network, guys, inside this network, we can able to create our resources like server, databases. Server is nothing but EC2, is nothing but a computing power. RDS is nothing but database. RDS is nothing but a database. And finally, the fourth thing is storage. The fourth thing is storage is nothing but S3. Storage is nothing but a S3. One second. Yeah. So what is the server, please? Server is nothing but a. So in AWS, we calling as a EC2. EC2 server is nothing but a EC2. Network is nothing but what exactly? VPC. VPC is nothing but a virtual private cloud. I'll explain, please wait. So database is nothing but a RDS. And storage is nothing but what exactly? S3. S3. I hope you understood very clearly. But let us discuss about one by one. What is VPC? What is EC2? What is RDS? And what is service? Let us discuss about each and everything. Yeah. Let us start with VPC. What is VPC? A virtual private cloud. The VPC is nothing but a virtual private cloud. So by helping a VPC, we can able to get a private network. By using VPC, we can able to get a private network, guys, please. A virtual private cloud we can able to get of exactly your office network. Of exactly your office network. So in your office, each and every desktop, each and every laptop, each and every system is a private machine. If you want to access those resources, your computers, your systems in your office, you have to getting into the office, then only you can able to access. From outside, we can't able to access because of that is a private network. That is a private network. Similar kind of network, we can able to get a from cloud through virtually, please. Virtually, we can able to get a private network. A virtual private network, please. We can able to get from AWS cloud. on this private network, on this virtual private network, please, on this virtual private network, we can able to deploy, we can able to create our resources like a servers or databases. Very clear. But let us understand one layman example. So Facebook, so anybody can access Facebook, can anybody access, but your home page it's locked. Your home page is by default is locked. Your photos, your videos, everything is locked. But if you want to give permission, yes, 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 by default lock your credentials, your photos, your videos. If you want, yes, you can able to give permission in friends. If you want to give make it public, yes, you can able to public. That means our resources will be by default locked in your home page. Likewise, second home page, your friend home page. On a same Facebook, a different kinds of home pages are available. Guys, please, the same way, AWS is a public access, but VPC is your private area. This is your VPC. This is your private network. In the same AWS, so this is your private network. It is your private area. In this private area, you can able to create your resources. In this private resources, you can able to maintain your application. The same way, it is my VPC. It is my network. This is your friend network. But these are all network and existing in AWS itself. But this VPC not related to this VPC. This VPC not related to your friend VPC. It is a private area. Please, guys, please. I hope you understood very clearly. Are we going to be getting a R private network or a cloud? Or a cloud? What are the VPC? A virtual private cloud in your private section of AWS, which can place your AWS resources like server databases. So whether you want to allow or restrict or access them by writing a rules. By writing a rules, guys, please. Yeah, that is what exactly VPC. That is what exactly VPC. Simply, please remember, VPC is nothing but a one private network. We can able to get a virtually from the cloud. On that private network, we're going to be creating our resources. This is the point, please. Blindly remember. VPC is nothing but our private network from cloud. That's it. Okay. That is what exactly VPC. So, what about EC2? What about EC2? What about EC2? Elastic Cloud Compute is nothing but EC2. 1E, 2C. So Elastic Compute Cloud. Elastic in the sense of what exactly, please? Elastic in the sense of what, please? Elastic in the sense of what, please? The cloud infrastructure we can able to increase, decrease at any point of time based on the customer. So the servers will be increasing, our servers will be decreasing based on usage. Based on usage, increasing, decreasing, and automatically based on usage is nothing but elastic. Scale up and scale down. We can able to call as a scaling our infrastructure. Increasing and decreasing our infrastructure. Yes. Increasing and decreasing infrastructure. Grow and shrink at a time means elastic. Elastic is nothing but, for example, Guru, for example, if we have a Flipkart, right now we have only 100 users. Flipkart customer load is only 100 users. For 100 users, how many servers? Maybe 2. For example, 2 servers. Tomorrow is a big sale day. Definitely customers will be double. That means 200. 100 into 2 means how many? 200 customers. For handling 200 customers, how many servers required? Definitely the servers will be increased or not, Guru? Definitely. That means double the servers. How it is possible? Automatically. So by helping of elastic is nothing but a increasing a servers, decreasing a servers at any point of time. At any point of time based on customer load. That is nothing but elastic. Elastic is expand and decrease. Okay, you know very well about our sisters are using an elastic band in hair. Okay, the same way how exactly works. So our infrastructure also expanded based on usage. Okay, Guru, please don't worry. I will show you practical in the coming sessions. Maybe in this week or next week. we're going to be experiencing this elastic. Okay. Okay. What are the compute, please? Compute, please. Compute, please. Compute is nothing but a RAM, CPU, motherboard, hardware, which you have in your laptop, which you have in server. The hardware we calling as a compute power. What is the cloud? Cloud is nothing but internet. Cloud is nothing but an internet. So the combination of these three words we call as EC2. What is EC2? Elastic Cloud Compute. Elastic Cloud Compute is nothing but a EC2. So by helping of EC2, we can able to get servers, guys. What server has? CPU, operating system, hard disk, RAM, firewall, network, guys. Network. So what exactly your laptop has? The same thing in server also, but your laptop is for your home purpose. But server is for deploying an application, maintaining 24 hours, 365 days. That is exactly server. Yes, let us understand one layman example. Okay. For example, let us go for Hotstar example. Let me go for Hotstar example. Please. Let us discuss about one example for understanding. Please. So, is it application or not? Please? Is it an application or not? Please? Is it an application or not, guys? Please. Is it an application or not? So, if anything able to access or internet, that is nothing but an application. Blindly remember. So this Hotstar.com, please, this Hotstar application, this Hotstar software, the working software is an application. Yes, please. So we're going to be deploying on, please. We're going to be deploying on EC2 server. We're going to be create a EC2 server. On top of it, we're going to be, please, we're going to be deploying our Hotstar application. Our Hotstar application. That means, so if you want to create a EC2, that means before that we have to, one network is required. One network. One network. So in this network, we're going to be configuring our server. On top of this server, we're going to be deploying this Hotstar application. After successfully deploying Hotstar application, after successfully deploying our Hotstar application in EC2, then we can able to access our internet from a laptop like this. We can able to access. Good, very good. But this Hotstar has some customer information, login, registration information, email address, phone number, username, password, address, subscription information. These are entire customer information where we are going to be stored, please, under RDS, under relational database services. RDS is nothing but what exactly? Database itself. So I'll repeat, guys, please. By helping of VPC, we can able to get a network. On top of it, we're going to be creating a resources like a server and database. So by helping of EC2, we can able to get a server. On top of it, we're going to be deploying our application like this. Our customer information we can able to maintain in database itself. Good, very good. Very good. Up to here, very good. But let me go for movies. So if you go for any movie, okay, any Hollywood, any Blu-ray print, that minimum size is, please, the minimum size of the file is 3 GB to 15 GB. 3 GB to 15 GB. So these larger files, this kind of larger file, 3 GB of file, can we able to storing into RDS? No, we can't able. That is the reason we're gonna be using, please, S3. Simple storage services, guys. Simple storage services. Simple storage services. So by helping of S3, we can able to upload n number of data as much you can. So in S3 bucket, we can able to upload as much you can. Larger data also we can able to upload. There is no limit here. There is no limit for storage, but only one limitation. So the maximum size of file is 5 terabyte. It should be less than 5 terabyte. Then only we can able to upload. The file size should not be cross 5 terabyte. That is only one limitation. Then you can able to upload any kind of PDF, text, audio file, video file, anything we can upload. After uploading anything, and we can able to access our internet. Also. But what is the example? Any example in the S3 bucket? Can you guess and tell me, please? Is there any example of S3 bucket? A real-time example. Can you tell me, please? Yes and tell me. Google Drive, guys, please. This PPT is presenting from Google Drive itself. This PPT presenting from Google Drive itself. Google Drive is an example of S3 bucket. Up to 2015, guys, please. Up to 2015, the Google Drive internally used S3 bucket itself. Google Drive internally used AWS S3 bucket. In 2015, around maybe which month I forget, the Google introduced their own cloud services. Okay. I hope you understood very clearly. So finally, so by helping of VPC, we can able to get network. By helping of EC2, we can able to get a servers and we can able to deploy application. By helping of RDS, we can able to maintain our customer information. By helping of S3, we can able to maintain our larger files. I hope you understood very clearly. So by helping of these are all the services. By helping of these are all the services. These are all the resources. We are perfectly maintaining our application. So how many ways to get the servers, please? Physically, virtually, and cloud. We can able to get the servers physically, virtually, and cloud. I hope you understood. While we implementing DevOps process, we're gonna be using our AWS resources. Our AWS resources. Guys, please. So today, guys, is it audible to all of you, please? Is it audible to all of you, please? Is it audible to all of you, please? Yeah, thank you, Manish. Thank you. Here is heavy rain, that's what. Here is huge heavy rain from the last night itself. That's what I'm asking. Some network disturbance is there. Okay, fine. Very good. Okay. So, please. How are we going to be sign up AWS? So, I will show in the document, please. So, the prerequisition is, please, to AWS. Okay. One second. So let me explain how to create an AWS account. Please wait. Guys, please. Let me explain how to create an AWS account. In Google, please search AWS console. Just click on, please. Just click on first link. Then, please. Then after click on, that definitely is going to be navigating into this page. So click on just create new account. Then please provide email address, password, confirm password, account name. So this AWS is 12 months free. 12 months free on free trial access, not all the services only. So few of this free and some of the paid, guys, please. So 12 months free on particular services, not all the services. Please aware of this, please. Okay. After click on continue, please submit your full details, guys, please. Name, full name, phone number, your country, postal address, PIN code, then payment gate. You have to provide your debit card or credit card details. Then after submitting your OPT, after providing an OPT, so from your bank, 2 rupees will be detected. Only 2 rupees will be detected for verification. Whether his bank is valid or not, that's it. After verification bank, so then the next step is phone number verification. Provide your working phone number, provide a security, then contact me. You're going to be receiving a call to verification your phone number. Then after successfully verification, by choosing a basic plan, guys, by choosing a basic plan, your registration will be done. I hope you understood this. So your account will be activated within 24 hours. Your account will be activated within 24 hours, guys. Okay, guys, please. I hope you can able to do this. Okay, I think everybody knows how to register a website. In so many websites, you register. So you sign up. So I hope you can able to do this. Okay. So after successfully sign up, please. After successfully sign up. After successfully sign up. Then it is going to be asking, please log in. You're going to be trying to log in by providing a username and password. After successfully login, please, you can able to see this page. Please, like this. After successfully sign up, you can able to visualize this screen. It is nothing but cloud. It is nothing but a AWS cloud. AWS cloud. These are all our services. But today we're gonna be creating a servers. We're gonna be creating a one EC2 server. What is EC2, please? Elastic Cloud Compute, please. Elastic Cloud Compute. For creating EC2, what we're gonna be choosing? CPU, RAM, operating system, hard disk, and security, please. So if you want to create a server, what things we're going to be select, please? RAM, hard disk, CPU, operating system, NIC card, security. But where exactly these are all resources, not in a laptop, in exactly on Ohio, in US, guys, please. So I'm going to be creating a one EC2 server. But where exactly? In Ohio region, in US is our internet is nothing but a cloud. Please, guys, please. Okay. Let me create a one instance. And launch instance. Launch instance. Launch instance. Launch instance. Launch instance. Choose an operating system, guys, please. Please choose an operating system. Please choose an operating system. Please choose an operating system. Which operating system? Windows or Linux? You can choose Windows operating system or a Linux operating system. But let me choose Linux. Let me choose Linux server. So Ubuntu Linux server. I'm going to be choosing an Ubuntu Linux server. Then what about next step, please, guys? Please. CPU, RAM. Am I right? So I'm going to be choosing one core CPU, 1 GB. One core CPU, 1 GB. See, CPU, memory. Guys, please. So this combination of CPU and memory we call as T2 micro. We call as T2 micro. I choose a T2 micro instance type. This T2 micro has one core CPU, 1 GB. Then let us configure. Let us configure. If you want to create an instance, we require a network. If you want to create an instance, we require a network. That means, so by default, when we're going to be sign up an account, by default, one network is available. On top of this network, I'm going to be creating a only one server, or else you can able to create two servers also, or else 200 also, or else 2 lakh also. But don't be create more than 3. But let me create today only one instance for today. I'm going to be creating only one instance per today. On where exactly, please? This instance is nothing but a server. Instance is nothing but a server. This one instance, I'm going to be creating a default VPC. On default VPC, I'm going to be creating this. On a default VPC. Then I'm going to be choosing a subnet. I'm going to be choosing a subnet 2A, 2B, 2C. So these are all we call as a data centers. So these 3 data centers are existing physically. So these are all data center names. These data centers are available in, please, where exactly in is Ohio region. It's the name of the region like Hyderabad. In that, please, in that region, we have a 3 physical data center like a Maitravanam building, Cyber Tower, or Oracle office and high tech city. Those 3 buildings are physically existing or not. The same way in US is these 3 data centers are physically exist. On top of 2A, please, in US, one of the data center name called US East 2A. On top of it, by helping of, please, by helping of with CPU, with hard disk, with 1 GB RAM, I'm going to be creating a 1 EC2 server. 1 EC2 server, please. The next step, please. Storage. Nothing matter, please. Hard disk. I'm going to be choosing a hard disk. I'm going to be choosing a, so maybe 10 GB. Then add tag. So let us give, please. I want to make the server as a web server. I want to make the server as a web server. After getting the server from cloud, I'm getting into the server. I'm going to be installing software. Which is software? Web server. Okay, please. Then finally, security, please. Security. Who can access? Who cannot access the server? We're going to be writing the rules and regulations. So by using SSH, we can able to getting into the server. We can able to install the software. And I'm going to be writing one more. Tag is nothing but a Manisha. It's a name of the server. We're going to be name it for identification. That's nothing else. You can name it. You can name anything like Manisha servers or Maha servers or anything for recognizing what purpose we're going to be creating the server. We're going to be writing a name. That name we're calling as a tag. So by helping of SSH is nothing but a secure shell. By helping of SSH only, we can able to log in from one Linux machine to another Linux machine. One Linux machine to another Linux machine. One Linux machine to another Linux machine. Then, so I want to make the server as a web server. That means, so by the web server, we can able to access our internet from this browser. That means, we have to add a HTTP. By helping of this protocol, we can able to access your web server via a browser, via internet. The default port number is 80. Who can access from anywhere in the world? Anywhere in the world we can able to log in. From anywhere in the world we can able to access this app server. Okay. Review, launch. Don't worry, little bit speed. I'll repeat tomorrow also. Don't worry. Okay. Don't worry. Every day we're going to be creating this instance. Without the server, we can't able to anything. Not only AWS, in DevOps also. Without server, without AWS, we can't do anything. Any class, in entire DevOps also, please. So let me use an existing PEM file, or else let me create a new PEM file. What is the PEM file, please? What are the key pair, please? What is this, please? So, for example, any operating system we can able to log in by using username and password. But AWS is providing not only username and password. We can able to log in by using keys. We're going to be generating a key pair. With the help of the key pair only, we can able to getting into the server. The key pair will be downloading. Please. Will be downloading in my computer. 1 second. Let me have one class of it. Yes, please. The PEM file, please. So the key pair will be generated. The key pair will be, please. The key pair will be generated. The key pair will be public key and the private key and public key. So the private key will be downloading into, please, where exactly in your PEM file. So the name PEM file name can be anything, please. For example, Maha key something. We can able to name anything. Maha key 1 2 3 4 5 6 something. With this name, one file will be downloaded. One file will be downloaded. Inside a file, this key pair will be available. Okay. Please download this key pair. The key pair already exists. Okay. Please download it. Yeah. Please observe. So the key pair will be downloading inside this file. Please. The file name we calling as a mahakey 1234555.pem. After successfully downloading PEM file, please click on launch. Launch instance. So that's it. So we're gonna be successfully creating a with an operating system Ubuntu, 1 core CPU, 1 GB RAM with a 8 GB default hard disk with a SSH and HTTP security with SSH port protocol with SSH port number and as HTTP. We're gonna be creating a 1 EC2 instance. Yeah. So my web server is running, please. It is pending. My web server is pending state. My web server is in pending state, please. Let it be running, guys. Please. Let it be running. Let it be running. Yes. After running, we can able to getting into the server by helping of Linux server. Is there any Linux terminal in your desktop? Is there any Linux terminal in your desktop? No. But we're going to be depending on third-party tools like Putty. We can able to use Putty, or else we can able to use Git bash. We can able to use Git bash this. But how we can able to get this Git bash? By downloading it and install it. How we going to be download, please? Just Google, please. Git for Windows, guys. Git for Windows. Git for Windows. Please type Git for Windows and double click on first link. Double click on first link and click on 64. Automatically one exe file will be downloaded. Automatically one exe file will be downloaded like this, guys. After successfully downloading this Git file and double click on it, double click on it, run, next, finish. After successfully finishing your installation of Git, after successfully installing your Git bash, right click, and this git bash option will be available. Go for anywhere in your laptop, this option will be available. If you click on git bash, a Linux terminal will be open. A Linux terminal will be open. So by helping of this Linux terminal, I can able to getting into our cloud server. How please? How please? How please? So please, where exactly my PEM file, please? So downloads. One second, please. Here is my PEM file or not? Let us open my folder. Please copy this PEM file. For our my convenience, let me pasting into the browser. Let me pasting into the browser. Yes. So where exactly PEM file? Where exactly PEM file, please? Where exactly PEM file? So select your server, please. Let us go to the cloud. Select your server. Click on connect. Click on connect. Click on connect. Then you can able to see this SSH link. An SSH link, guys, please. Copy this SSH link. Copy this SSH link. Go where exactly PEM file you download it, or where exactly you're going to be copy paste. Not only desktop, go for any folder. Okay. Then right click behind the git bash option will be appear. So double click on it and paste it. That's it. It's going to be asking yes or no questions. Guys, please say yes. That's it. I'm in this cloud machine or in laptop. Guys, am I in the cloud machine or not? So is it private IP of our server or not? Yes, obviously. It is a private IP of our server. Guys, please. Is it our private IP of server or not? So 172.31.15.144. Am I right? Is it or not? That means I'm in the server. I'm in the server. Yes, please. So if you want to do installation, sudo -i. It is a by helping of this command, I can able to switch to the administrator. I can able to switch to the administrator. Then let me execute the command call apt-get update. Not required, Manish. Not required because of the PEM file. By helping of PEM file only, that is a security level. Without this PEM file, we can't able to log in. If you lose this PEM file, that means you're going to lose the server, Manish. If you lose your PEM file, that means you're going to be losing your server. So this is security of our PEM file. With this PEM file only, I'm going to be logged. Instead of username password, I'm going to be getting into the server with help of this PEM file. Inside this PEM file, we have a secret. Manisha, please. This is PEM. It will be read. Okay. It will be read. How please? How please? How please? Let us exit. Okay. Please. So after SSH, it's a command. -i. It is pick up in this PEM file, please. Our PEM file name we declare here. SSH -i is nothing but a please pick up this PEM file. By using this user, by helping of the DNS, we can able to getting into the our cloud server. I hope you understood very clearly. Manish, please. But anyway, we'll discuss. Anyway, we'll discuss and so many times. But at the starting of the class, please. Fine. So we're going to be getting into the root. Then the next command we should be execute, please. Apt-get update. Apt-get update. Then if you want to install any software, yes. I want to make this server as a please web server. Which web server? Apache to web server. Apache to web server. By executing this command, guys, please. By executing this command, I can able to install web server. So whether it is say yes or no. Yes. So today I successfully logging in AWS, I successfully created a server, I successfully getting into the server, and I successfully install the software. The web server I can able to access over internet, please. I can able to access the web server or internet by helping of public IP. Each and every server two IPs, public IP, private IP. What is the difference between public network and private network? We're going to be discussing in coming classes in VPC topics. In AWS, VPC concept. Please copy public IP and paste it. Are we going to be accessing our web server or not? Yes. So if you want to try to access the same web server, your mobile or laptop, yes, by helping of this IP. If you want to, please type it this way: 3.15.189.160. If you type it in your browser, the same page will be displayed. The same page will be displayed in your browser also. So anywhere in the world, we can able to access this web server by helping of this IP. This is a public IP. Got this, guys, please? Got it, please. Any questions for today's class? Any questions, guys, please? So one thing you'll do. So who are all new to this technology? Durga Soft won't give Amazon account for each student. No, it won't be. Guru. It won't be give any account. Then you have to create your own way. That is your responsibility, Guru. Please. Yes, Manisha. All of you remember this. AWS account should be created by you only. You have to create your own way. You have to maintain your own. You are the responsible person. Guys, please. I'm informing everybody. Okay, please. That is your responsible to create. That is responsible to log in. You have to maintain. One thing, please. The completion of this course, how much experience we can get? Yeah, resume 3 plus. Manisha 3 plus. First question. Second question, can you please provide resume preparation? Yes, I'm supporting. Third question, how to approach your cleaning your doubts through email or WhatsApp? No WhatsApp. For every class beginning or ending, you can able to clarify. Beginning and ending of the class, you can able to clarify any queries. Maybe email, maybe email. I'm not promising that. Email maybe. Okay, email ID mostly, but not promising. Not promising. And one more question: are you providing any support or cleaning doubts completing this course? Providing support in the sense about clearing your doubts in before and after completion of the class, end of the session. Definitely, I'm waiting for clarifying each and every question. Definitely. Okay. Then not Lakshmi. It is say Srikanth. It is Lakshmi Rao. Okay. The first clarification. I was not joining yesterday's session. Can I get this yesterday's demo? Yes, you can get it from there. Please talk to admin. He will provide a demo link, please. So myself and my friend will go through this. That definitely, please join. Please get the video, recorded video. We have Srikanth. Go through that, please. Srikanth definitely can get able to get it. Yeah, please go through that. Okay. This today recording session also may receive, please. Okay. Then. So I hope you understood this very clearly. So quickly, let me create one more, please. So who are all? I think everybody is new to this technology. That's what. Let me delete this. Okay. I don't want to use this. After completion of practice, whether you stop or terminate. But don't release. This instance should be stop or terminate. Stop means we can able to resume tomorrow also. We can able to continue practice on the same server tomorrow also. If you don't want completely, if you don't want that, terminate this. Let me repeat one more time quickly. Okay. Services EC2 guys, each and every class recording session will be shareable. Please aware of this. Each class the recording will be shareable to all of you, all students, but after registration only. Please register with your admin. with the registered email address. You getting a everyday recording session, please. Running instances quickly. Just or quickly. Let me create one instance. Launch instance. So tomorrow also repeat this. Don't worry. Tomorrow also I'll repeat this. Let me choose any server, any operating system. Ubuntu 16. It is Linux machine. CPU, memory. It is a T2 micro. It is a free trial up to 750 hours per month. One instance, default network, subnet, and OHI. Let me choose 2A. Add storage 8 GB, or you can able to increase 10 GB also. Add tag name Mahaserver. Okay. Configure. Add HTTP anywhere. Review launch with an existing PEM file. I can able to create a new PEM file for the first time. For the second time, I can able to create a new PEM file. I'm going to be using right now an existing PEM file. One PEM file we can able to assign multiple servers. Without the PEM file, we can't able to log in. If you lose the PEM file, that means you're going to be losing servers. No question about it. Blindly forget about servers. Let it be run this. Let it be running safely. Select the server. Connect. Copy this URL, please. Copy this URL. There's nothing but SSH connection. Where exactly PEM file? Where exactly download the PEM file, please. Right click. Behind right click. Not on please. Behind right click. Git bash. Yes to continue. Yes to continue. Sudo -a. Sudo -a. Apt-get update. For every new server, we have to execute the first command that only. And let me please install, please. Apt-get install. Apt-get install Apache. So the command was wrong. Please let me verify this. Okay. Apt-get install Apache. So yes to continue. I hope you understood this. Okay, clear. So tomorrow we're going to be continue EC2 model. Okay. So what are the volumes? How are we going to be creating a volume? AMS, how can able to back up the servers? Yes, please. How we can able to handle the storage in AWS servers? What is the load balancing? How are we going to be load balance between the servers? How are we going to be scale up and scale down elastic? How are we going to be map our website domain name into the servers? Everything we're going to be discussing in this by coming classes. Tomorrow we're going to be continue EC2 guys. AWS EC2 model we're going to be continuing. Okay. I hope we understood this. If we have any question, please ask me, or else we're going to be wind up this class. Please. Do you have any question? Please ask me, or else we will wind up. Okay. Yeah, public IP and paste here. Fine, guys. We will meet tomorrow at exactly 6 o'clock. Please meet at 6 o'clock, not 6:10. So tomorrow we will meet at exactly, please. What time? 6 o'clock, not 6:10. Class exactly start at 6, please. 6 a.m. Not 6:10, guys, please. Thank you, guys. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you so much.